ground floor ng Island City Mall para tunghayan na naman ang opening ng Plantorama Plant Sale and Expo. I don't know the title today, but this is an activity of Plantorama, and I am invited to cut the ribbon. Okay? So, let's go and see. Dandahanin mo ba lang? Dandahan.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, to all the shoppers around the city mall, welcome, welcome. We have a special event starting today up until September 19, 2021. And to have this event, or the Plantorama, to be officially opened, we have our special guest. We have Honorable Lucille Lagunay, First District Provincial Board Member of the Provincial Government of Bohol. We also have the organizer, Mrs. Lynn Tudor of Julian Products. And we also have Maria Jean Salvado, a Bohol vlogger from Cagayan Valley, Luzon, and Ilocana. So to officially open our Plantorama for the grand opening, we will be witnessing the ribbon cutting. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Plantorama is now officially open. Smile for the paparazzi kahit nakamask. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Plantorama right here at the Island City Mall Activity Center. From today, September 13, a beautiful Monday morning, up until September 18, 2021, daily from 8:30 a.m. up until 7:30 p.m. So for those who would like to join us inside, come on down. Try to check our exquisite and elegant looking plants, ready to take on a new home, making your home a better looking place, di ba? So of course, thank you very much to our VIP, Honorable Lagunay. To give a token of appreciation, we have the organizer, Mrs. Lynn Tudor. Let me just read first. So this token of appreciation is presented to Honorable Lucille Lagunay, First District Provincial Board Member, Provincial Government of Bohol, or should I say, whose presence during the opening ceremonies to support for the Plantorama exhibition and sale, and really inspire the organizer, exhibitors, plantitas, and pepitos who have committed themselves to making the environment cleaner and more beautiful with plants, especially during this difficult time of the pandemic. Given this 13th day of September 2021 at the Island City Mall, City of Tagbilaran, Bohol, Philippines, signed the organizer herself, Marilyn O. Tudor. Since she has given us a lot of inspiration, may we have a special message from Honorable Lagunay?
Daghang salamat. May buntag natong tanan. Congratulations sa atong organizers, sa atong Plantorama diri sa Island City Mall. And I would like to also congratulate all the plantitas and plantitos who are here with us, joining in the exhibition. Nindun kaayo ang inyong mga tanong, no? They are very, very healthy, and they are well displayed, and they are put in very nice spots. And the more, no, the packaging of this entire exhibition has enhanced the beauty of our plants. Just like all of you, I am a plantita. If my husband were to describe me, he would always say, my wife, Nanay Lucille, lives in the garden. She just lives in the house. So you would find me, even late at night, in the garden, making potting medium, and then transplanting or propagating more plants. But what perhaps you don't know is that I am an organic farmer. I practice organic agriculture. So I was even telling Miss Lynn Tutor here that if any of you would find time, I can teach you how to make simple concoctions that would enhance the soil, and in so doing, it would make our plants very healthy. They are very cheap. All the materials can be acquired from our own kitchens. They're just available in our own kitchens. So I would encourage each and every one of you to go organic. I will be moving from one stall to the next. And I was telling MJ a while ago that each of the plantitas here who are joining this exhibition have their stories to tell. And I always love to listen to the different stories of the exhibitors of how they were able to navigate through this pandemic through the plants that they propagate and sell. I won't take much of your time because I know many would like to go stall hopping already. So once again, congratulations, Mrs. Lynn Tutor, for coming up with this exhibit. And thank you very much, exhibitors. You made me so proud of all of you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Laguna. Grabe, no? Meron tayong heavy from the local government unit of Bohol. So we also have to give a plaque to another VIP, another guest who was part of our ribbon cutting. So the same token of appreciation is given, whose presence during the opening ceremonies and support for the Plantorama and sale, and greatly inspired the organizer exhibitors, plantitas and plantitos, who have committed themselves to making the environment cleaner and more beautiful with plants, especially during this difficult time of the pandemic. Given this 13th day of September 2021 at Island City Mall, Island City Mall, Philippines, signed with organizer Marilyn Tutor. This token goes to Maria Jean Salvado, a Bohol vlogger. Todo support na to si Madam eh. So she opted not to speak right here, but anyway, we'll be seeing her vlogs in the future. So check her out. Maybe ito na lang. Speech na lang ahead yung vlogs mo.
Ayaw ko sana magsalita eh. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for inviting me, Mom. And it's my honor to come here every time you invite me. And I am very honored to meet Mom Priscilla Lunay, our board member. Thank you so much sa mga plantitos na nag-inspire sa akin na tigo mo, kinadagan ng tanong pero dili naman tingali sa kutupay. Basta higdaan na ay tanong. Anyway, am so much thankful, grateful talaga ako, happy this day na naanapod niya din. Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations, Ma'am Lynn. Our organizer, ever dynamic organizer ng Plantorama. Wow, I am very proud of her. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po sa lahat, lalo-lalo na po kay, tawag po sa kanya ay Sis B.M. Lucille Laguna. My husband and attorney Handel Laguna ay best friend sila. The first time I met B.M. Laguna, I was inside the lab at the DTI exhibition expo for Sandogo Trade Fair. I could remember how she expressed her love and passion to the Bohol product. That's why when she started to run again as a board member, First District in Tagbilaran, I always share her photo. And I couldn't believe it that she won. Thank you, Ma'am Laguna, for coming, and all the plantitas and plantitos, all the exhibitors, and ICM, ECG, Altoras Group of Companies, lahat ng mga kaibigan dito na talagang they really come and support all the exhibitors, the plantitas. Kasi kung nakikita po natin yung mga halaman po dito ay sariling tanim po nila. At kagaya po ni Sis B.M. Laguna, when you visit her place, talagang napakarami pong halaman. And please invite us to your, yung maribuhok na sobrang gandang mango plantation or orchard mango. Maraming salamat sa lahat at for supporting Plantorama 2021. To God be all the glory, and also for our instant MC. Ano ba tawag sa'yo ngayon? Kasi yung isa po medyo nag-quarantine po siya, si Gina. But again, daghang salamat. Kumbaga sa Ilocano, from the bottom of my heart, agpasalamat ang kanyayo naunay nga support kayo na ito'y halaman, ito'y buhol kang Diyos ti Agmina. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. That was our organizer, Madame Marilyn Couture. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, to all the shoppers of Valenzuela, Plantorama is now officially open starting today, September 13, 2021, up until September 18, 2021. For those of you, especially our exhibitors, who would like to have a photo op with our VIPs, although sorry na. But anyway, for those of you who would like to have a picture with board member Laguna, and we have Madam, our Bohol vlogger. Hindi ko pa nakita yung vlog yan. Lulungling ako sa ibang videos eh. And anyway, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have Plantorama right here at Alex Cinema Activity Center. And if you are wondering who are our exhibitors, we have a lot. We definitely have a lot.
Sakay ka.
Fully Australia, Phoenix, Florida, Curtis Catholic Stone, by Michael John Almirantes, Fred started by Emily Aliasen, Renette's Box by Ardianita Setruan, LJ Ornamental by Liseo Polico, Floor Fiberbox by Florek Zozo Bravo, Esther started by Selita Rodona, Christine started in Fresh Trade by Christine Tan, Behind 57 Garden State by Esther Lina Bukanda, Mary's Rare Supplements by Mary Chris
May
Mende,
pitaka ko, wait.
Brunch with Even by Ian Adele, G. Bohol right here at the Allen City Hall Activity Center. Please don't forget to ask for their contact details from their contact number, from their social media accounts, just to see those amazing plants. Just in case na walang dito yung mga hinahanap nyo, but you know that person or that certain exhibitor has that certain plant that you need or ornament. So just ask for their contact contact details, your social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, ano ba ba yan, kahit TikTok. Mga TikTok, talang TikTok na dito eh. But anyway, also you might want to ask their location. If they have a shop open, sige. Tanungin yung nasan yung shop, baka it's just near your houses, your households. If you are needing anything from, ano ba tawag nila? Kasi uso na kayo ng mga weddings eh. Tapos, parang niche na yung alcohol sanitizer na giveaway. So, baka may gusto mga supplements at giveaways, marami tayong mga supplements ni Digo.